Hello. In this video, we will see how to create an appointment booking chatbot. So, in the bot builder, set trigger and click on save. In the next step, add an interactive message block. Here, kindly select from the following options and let's give user two options. So, for example, paid consultation and free consultation. Save this block. Now, in the next step, if the user is selecting paid consultation, again give them two options. So, select duration 60 minutes, and the other button can be 90 minutes, and then save. Now, if the user is selecting free consultation, let's fetch for available dates first. So, from the menu, select native calendar. Click on fetch available date. To get the event ID, go to event. Here, click on the view icon. Here, from the URL, the part after the forward slash is the event ID. So, copy that and paste it here. Next, to save this response, you will have to create a bot field. So, first click on copy response from here. Now, click on add bot field. Enter label. So, available dates. Select field type as JSON and paste your sample JSON here. Here you only have to enter one array and then click on create field. Once the field is created, save response to and select the field from the drop down and click on save. Now in the next step, add a dynamic list. So select interactive message, enter body, and here select dynamic, select delivery type as list, enter button text. So for example, select date, enter section title, select field from the drop down. So this will be available dates. Now map option title. So this will be date. Here change the number to item. So this should be item dot date. Now map option description. So I'm selecting day here. Again I will change the number to item. And then select option value from the drop down. This is not visible to the users. So for example, date. Save this response to appointment date and save question. Now in the next step, again fetch available slots. So native calendar, select fetch available slots, copy and paste the event ID here. Date, you can map this from the custom field appointment date. Again, you have to create a bot field here. So let's name it appointment slot. Field type will be JSON. Paste your JSON. Only enter a single array here and then click on create field. Now select field from the drop down. So save response to appointment slot and then click on save. Now in the next step, we will again send a dynamic list. So select interactive message. Here enter body text. Kindly select a slot. Send choice as dynamic. Select delivery type as list. Enter title, section title. Select field. Map option title. Again, you have to change the number with item here. Similarly, map option description. Select option value from the drop down. Save response to slot custom field and then click on save question. Now again add question blocks to ask user their emails and if they want to give any notes. and then save them to their respective custom fields. And then click on Save Question. Now in the next block, select Native Calendar. Click on Create New Booking. Here again, copy and paste your event ID. Map appointment date, slot and all the variables here, name, email and note. And then click on Save. Now in the next step, you can simply add a send message block that we have received your booking. We will update you once it is approved. Now if the user selects 60 minutes, again fetch available dates in the similar manner. Save response to JSON field. So available dates. Now again add a dynamic list block. Save response to appointment date custom field. Save this question. Now in the next block we will again fetch slot and save response to JSON field. And then click on save. Again send a dynamic list question block and save response to slot custom field. Save this question. Copy the email and note question block. In the next step, again go to native calendar, click on create new booking, enter event ID, map date, slot and all other details here, and then click on save. Now add send message block, payment message. Here upload image, enter body text. So for example, kindly click below to pay, footer text if you want. Under payment order details, enter product name. So here it will be paid 60 minutes consultation. Enter price. Quantity will be 1 here. Select payment gateway. Select currency. You can also add tax or shipping details. And then click on save message. Add all same blocks if user selects 90 minutes. Now after the send payment message block, add a CRM block. Update a custom field. Map WABA under contact ID. Select custom field as booking ID from the drop down. And map booking ID as custom field value. And then click on save. Again copy the same block for 90 minutes flow. Here again map booking ID and then click on save. Save this workflow. Now create another bot flow with trigger payment received. So when payment transaction is completed, select your channel here and save this. In the next step, add native calendar block. Select update booking. Here, map the booking ID from the custom field. Update payment status as paid and then click on save. Now in the next block, simply add a send message block. Text message, payment received successfully. Now create another bot flow with trigger as payment failed. Select channel and save this. Now in the next step, add a send message block. Select order status message. enter body. So payment failed. Kindly try again. Under reference ID, map payment reference ID. Order status can be payment failed. You can add a description if you want and then save this message. Thank you.